Tesla's major update for FSD, version 14.2, has been released today and the early feedback is very positive. Interestingly, Elon Musk has taken the opportunity to tease what's around the corner, if not outright warn people something big is about to happen with Tesla autonomy. After a user on X posted, "This is not a small update," Elon replies, "Indeed, nor is 14.3, which will be the next." This was in response to some posts mentioning the speed of iteration happening with FSD, and this is the 7th release of V14. One key standout here in the release notes, quote, "Upgraded the neural network vision encoder, leveraging higher resolution features to further improve scenarios like handling emergency vehicles, obstacles on the road, and human gestures." I'm curious if that includes the double bird. Nick posted a great graphic showing how many iterations we've seen in how little time. 45 days, 8 different iterations of Tesla FSD 14.x. Elon Musk was not done hinting about what's around the corner. In response to Devon, we'll read his post first. FSD 14.2 first impressions drive. Although the release notes made this update seem small, it feels to me like this is the refinement we have been waiting for in version 14. All of my driving today was very smooth with no brake issues. I drove through heavy construction, parking lots, highways, etc. and had no issues at all related to braking. He adds that we did run into a small problem where the car got stuck trying to leave the parking lot. This is a problem that a larger context window would likely fix. He's posted the full video here with a bunch of chapters. You guys can find this post on X, I'm sure. Elon Musk replied to this. 14.3, aka the next meaningful version update, is where the last big piece of the puzzle finally lands. Now, if that isn't a massive tease, I don't know what is. So this is the second massive teaser Musk has made about FSD version 14.3 in the last few hours. Just take another look at this. In the last month and a half, Tesla FSD has been updated on an average at least once per week, if not more. And updates equal improvements, additional features, new abilities. Given all the teasing Musk is doing right now, 14.3, the last big piece of the puzzle, I mean, he didn't have to post multiple times today about the next version, 14.3, just after 14.2 dropped. If I didn't know any better, I might think he's warning people. And in completely unrelated matters, in case you missed this recent post from Musk, if Gates, as in Bill Gates, hasn't fully closed out the crazy short position he has held against Tesla stock for around 8 years, he had better do so soon. So let's recap here. FSD 14.3, the last big piece of the puzzle. A few days ago, Bill, bro, if you haven't closed your short position, you better hurry the fuck up. Conspiracy alert. I think that Elon Musk is under the impression that 14.3 is a watershed moment for FSD and autonomy, and as a result, likely Tesla, the company, and also the valuation that investors attribute to Tesla. Just to wrap, wanted to remind you guys about this hilarious exchange with Scott Adams, the story of Elon Musk being disgusted with Bill Gates for shorting Tesla stock.
There was a story that I read about him that really affected me, which was when he was talking to Bill Gates, and Bill Gates had just taken out some huge short on Tesla. It was like $1 billion short, and Elon was like, "Why would you do that? Why would you short Tesla?" And Bill goes, "Well, I talked to my financial advisors, and I looked at the math, and there's no way it's overvalued, and so I'm going to make money on the short." And Elon goes, what do you care about making money? I thought you were into electric cars and climate change and saving the world. What are you doing, like trying to save a few bucks and betting against? And he just walked away in disgust. And I think he never talked to Bill Gates after that. And that's when I realized, Elon's a purist. He means what he says. The money is a tool for him to get what he's trying to do. And so I take him at face value, which is the crazy thing, because there are a lot of people who set these audacious goals to inspire people, but you kind of know they don't really mean it. Elon, I take at face value.
So if one were to take Elon at face value and believe that he really believes what he says, he really believes that 14.3 is the last big piece of the puzzle. He also really believes that anyone shorting Tesla stock is going to get their absolute financial anus ruined relatively soon, which seems to line up with FSD 14.3 dropping. And if we continue to take Musk at face value, the recent annual Tesla shareholder meeting, he also disclosed goals for scaling autonomy, robotaxis in, call it half a dozen-ish cities by the end of the year in the US-ish. Quickly from there, scaling to millions of robotaxis operating globally. And then there's the whole humanoid robots. First-gen Optimus production, 1 million units a year. The next generation after that, many millions. Then we're quickly at Gen 3 into the tens, if not hundreds of millions. And then potentially, possibly, billions of robots per year. The fact that Bill Gates ever thought it made sense to short Tesla stock just shows how retarded the guy is. He cannot read the fucking room. I mean, he's worth billions, actually $100 billion. Clearly doesn't need a bit of extra cash. So why on earth would he have an active short position, a massive short position, against a company that's done more for sustainable energy than any other? By miles, literally. How dumb, how retarded can you possibly be to not understand that if you're out here virtue signaling about XYZ cause, you have your supposed charity, and yet you're actively, massively shorting a company that's done more I mean, hello, tone deaf as fuck. Not just tone deaf, but financially brain dead. Throughout its history as a publicly traded company, a decade and a half, what percent of that time has it made sense to be actively shorting Tesla stock? I think it's safe to say, at no point throughout the last decade and a half has a risk reward ever been there to actively short Tesla stock. At no point. On a few particular days or weeks, it might have worked out. But the vast majority of time, shorting Tesla stock has been a recipe for embarrassing yourself, ruining your reputation, and destroying your capital. Let me put it this way. From the day Tesla became a public company, and you could invest in and or short the stock, actively shorting the company, betting against the stock, with, by the way, potentially unlimited losses, has been equivalent to playing Russian roulette with a fully loaded gun on the odd chance, just hoping, desperately, naively, idiotically, that when you pull the trigger, despite the fact that it's fully loaded, the gun jams, and you somehow survive the ordeal. You fucking moron. Now, if anyone watching happens to know anyone that short Tesla stock, first of all, you travel in some very interesting circles. You're doing like volunteer work at a mental asylum. You're moonlighting as a Reddit mod. You're an active user on Blue Sky. Number one, my condolences. Number two, you could warn them, but you know, sometimes you just need to let a retard make a poor decision, get burned, and learn from it. After all, pain is our greatest teacher. I'm just kidding. There's no one on earth who's possibly dumb enough to be currently shorting Tesla stock, right? Zero people would be that stupid. It's not possible to be that fucking dumb. The robotaxis are scaling without any major incidents. Everything's on track. The cadence of FSD updates is increasing rapidly. Capability is increasing rapidly. Nobody on the planet could possibly be that fucking dumb, right? Right? Want more content? Early access? Bunch of perks? Click the links in the pinned comment. AG1 has been part of my daily health protocol for almost half a decade. It's packed full of vitamins and minerals and helps me fill in nutritional gaps while supporting energy, digestion, and immune function. It also has prebiotics and probiotics to promote gut health. I take my health very seriously, and so should you. Try AG1 today by visiting drinkag1.com/SMR or click the link in the pinned comment and enjoy a free welcome kit with vitamin D3 plus K2 and AG1 travel packs. That's drinkag1.com/SMR.